Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, it's that time of year, the leaves are starting to change, time to get out the pumpkins and the gourds and the acorns. Today, I want to share with you an autumn fall table setting. So let's look around the table. For this fall table setting, I'm using a Ralph Lauren tablecloth. It's a warm brown in a damask pattern. It sort of has a slight chenille feel to it. I'm going to be using metal chargers today. These are hammered, sort of with a bronze finish. I believe I picked these up at Walmart back a few years ago. And for the china today, I'm using a vintage pattern. This pattern is Royal Dalton, and I'm going to read from the back of the plate. The pattern is Chiltern. It says produced from the original Brownfield engravings, 1808. So I suppose this is a copy of some engravings. I picked this china up, believe it or not, at a yard sale. I was going by and just happened to see some things that caught my eye and got a really good deal on it. I'm not going to use the salad plate that goes with the set today. I'm going to be using these amber, salad plates. They are cut glass. I think I picked them up at an estate sale, and I kind of like to mix different patterns. Now you could, even stack like this, but today I'm going to put the bread and butter here at the top. I'm going to be using the teacups that come with the set. And for the stemware today, I'm mixing shades of amber. I have got the taller glass that has the deep shade of amber cut glass. I believe I picked those up at Walmart about 20 years ago. And then these I picked up in the golden amber. I picked those up at an estate sale not too long back. I like to mix the colored glasses. I thought the two shades of amber were pretty together. I've got a little place card holder, a little acorn. I'm going to put there at the top. For the flatware today, I'm using some wooden handle flatware that I picked up at JCPenney's. I think the wood handles looks good with a more rustic or casual setting. And then for the napkins, I did a fancy fold. This is a rosebud. Put that there. For my centerpiece today, I've taken a autumn vine. It has fall leaves and acorns and little twigs, and I've just sort of zigzagged it down the table. And when you're using a permanent silk, be sure and give each little leaf, each little twig a bend. There's usually a wired stem in there, and it'll make a much nicer appearance and look more natural. But I first just zigzagged it down the table, and then I've taken some antique brass candlesticks that I've put some rust-colored pillar candles in, and I've tucked those in. I've got the taller ones in the center and the shorter ones out toward the outer ends. And then I have a collection of ivory pumpkins. These are ceramic. I've got different sizes. I've just sort of tucked those in amongst the leaves and amongst the acorns. This particular set of china, I don't have the matching teapot, but I have this little ceramic teapot that has leaves and it's ivory. I think I picked it up at a thrift store, I believe. I've got the sugar and creamer to the Royal Dalton set. In keeping with my theme of the amber shades of glass, I've got an old darker amber cake stand that I've set the more gold amber cake stand on top. These I probably picked up at an estate sale. I like to mix the china. I have, like I said, the amber set that I've put with the glass. You could, of course, use the salad plate that comes with the china, but I thought it would be more interesting to mix. I also have a little Limoges style trinket box. If you've got little ones in the family, I used to do this. I would take, for whatever season, I have a little collection of boxes, and I would tuck a little piece of candy or $1 in them. And it's a fun little thing to distract children, and while the rest of the family's eating, it's a little something to capture their attention. I've also got a tea pitcher. It's from, I think, about the 1960s. It belonged to my grandmother. It's in the amber gold shade also. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. Be sure and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.